Oh, this is a nice angle, actually. We're keeping it. Okay. So there's no gap here. From my hip, there's no gap, okay? And I'm kind of like pressing with my heels. So really stapling my lower body and hips to the machine and pulling with my hamstrings. Sometimes if I can't feel it in one of them, I'll go back here and touch it a little. And if I don't feel it, try to emphasize what's heel I'm putting my weight in. Like right now, I'm putting my weight in my right heel, and I'm trying to touch my right hammy. All right. Okay, this is only 25, bro. I used to be able to do so much weight, but when you slack on your muscles, they get deflated, and then you can't lift as much, and you're small. If you have a partner, they should help you slowly go down. If you don't, just do it by yourself. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to put my weight in my left. And I don't get as good activation on my left side of anything compared to my right. Don't lift your hips. These stay down. Do not lift your hips. Keeping your hips like on it is so important. The slower you go, the better. Don't look at this dude. Control your movement. Oh my god. Realign your hips if you lifted them a little, okay? There's no shame in realigning. Re-push your hips, close that gap, and then go again. It helps for me. There's a break right here in the machine, and it helps me to kind of like lock it like this. Dude. Oh my tits. Okay, we're gonna not increase the weight because this is already very hard for me. Hamstring. Oh god. Dude, I can't breathe. I don't know how the I'm talking. Famous TikTok famous. I think this group of friends is talking shit. Bro. Breathe. Try to. Okay, you know what? I can't breathe. You can breathe because you're an American. Even if you're an immigrant. I don't know. Get back to it. If the oxygen is rushing to your brain, you took too long. You're much muscles to still be super fatigued. Oh my god. Should I turn the light on? Should we be obnoxious? Yeah, baby, we should be obnoxious. Okay. So if I'm doing this thing, hips against the machine. My hands are right here in this little divot. So I'm engaging my lats a little, embracing my core, locking my knees in and pushing up and out. Ah! Okay, you know what? That's enough because I'm dying. I don't think you realized how bad my face is sweating. But it is. All right. Next machine time. I can't see. The salt is reaching my eyeballs. People who work out and are good at it, like deep down, we don't really like ourselves, I don't think. Because this shit hurted really bad all the time. And that's how you get better? I mean, I know that's true for other parts of your life, but that's fucking insane to think about. I don't like all the hooligans here. Am I a hooligan? I think so. Still listening to Tupac. Ooh, ooh, my lower back hurts so bad. Oh my god, I'm being such a baby. What did I just say? Okay. Dude, everything hurts right now. Just every single part of my ass. And I know if I don't get to the point where after my leg days, it hurts to sit on my toilet like I used to, then I'm not. You know what I mean? I don't know if you saw any of my face while I said this, but I'm just not. Awesome. We're gonna do some butt stuff now. Oh my god, this is gonna suck, dude. Let's do this stupid. Honestly, these need to be heavier. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Sorry, Aaron. No. Oh my god, it's hitting so hard. Oh my god, it's hitting so hard. Oh my god. Ah! Nope, I'm hitting failure like now. Bro, I'm dying. Even if you gotta do it slowly, you'll get it done. Ah! You guys saw that, right? Oh my fucking balls. Oh my god, I'm literally covered in sweat. We're gonna do it. We said we were gonna do it, so we're gonna fucking do it. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, my big forearms. I don't feel good about that, but I did it. I don't even want to pick these up. They don't deserve to be picked up. Take them home. Left. Left is falling. Do you see this? Dude, I'm gonna feel it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Am I sweating back here? I don't think so. Fucking right. Hell right. Oh, you can see my nipples. Keep in mind that I'm insane. That's how you get a natural BBL. You have to be insane about your ass. I'm gonna eat more protein later, but I wanna not cook this up, so I'm gonna drink this and then eat some meat. Film an outro. I'm editing it now. I think this was in January. Sorry, I'm nauseous. February, March. This was 4 months ago. This was 4 months ago, and I just now edited it. Okay, don't expect high quality edits from now on. Just expect the information, because I have so much. I'm videotaping, and not enough of it is going like this. So I'm gonna work on doing this, and less of this, more of this. I just edited for 3 hours. Oh my god, that was so annoying. I gotta get used to this. Oh, also, I did not finish all that food that I had, but I had paleo chicken sausage, sweet potato, and the other stuff. I don't really. Let me see. Paleo sausage, green beans, zucchini. What is that? Is that chicken? Oh no, it's like shredded fish, which I didn't eat because it tasted like shit. Sometimes when my mom makes food, it tastes bad. Hi mom, if you're watching this, please stop watching my videos. Thank you, bye bye. I just edited the whole video and then I fucked it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. If there was an X-Acto knife near me, I would go right at my scalp. Oh my god. I don't even know how I'm gonna do that. That literally took 3.5 hours. That literally, I just wasted. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Honestly, bitch, I'm cutting out so much stuff. I'm cutting out so much stuff. I'm cutting out like everything basically. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm sorry. If you didn't get, if it seems like there's not a lot of information there, it's because I almost, when I was editing it. Those last 2 clips of me talking, wearing the same shirt, me being really happy, that was before it happened. Okay, I'm just gonna re-edit a shitty version in like 10 minutes. I cannot believe. Okay, I'm gonna go.